something.
Which one would you?
Hello English finally.
Hello.
We're back again and today we're talking about idioms. What kind of idioms we have here? Play hooky, ace a test and blow something.
Which one would you like to talk about first? If we talk about blow something, I had a girlfriend, and my girlfriend. My girlfriend, she blew it. She did. And let me explain what happened. She had the opportunity to blow the test. And she didn't study. So I said, what's the problem? And she said, I will blow it. And I said, you'll blow it? Blow what? The test? Oh, and I said, okay, that's better. That's okay.
Alright, coming back, we covered the last one. Let's focus on these two. Play hooky. Joe, have you ever played hooky?
I have never played hooky in my life.
Seriously? How come?
I'm very serious. One reason was because my father was the director of a school, and playing hooky, missing a class instead of going to a class, would have gotten me in a lot of trouble.
Alright, so why don't you explain to us what that means actually?
Playing hooky means that you are not doing something that you should be doing. You're not following the schedule. For example, you're not attending classes, and instead you might be with your friends or by yourself doing something you shouldn't be doing. That's playing hooky.
That reminds me of old age when I used to go to school, and a couple of times I played hooky. That means that I didn't go to class. My parents didn't even know. Psst, don't tell my parents. Well, ace a test. I'm pretty sure that you aced so many tests.
Again, I wish I could say with confidence, I aced a test. I passed with flying colors, but I didn't. I'm an average student, and I did not ace many tests.
Acing the test? What the heck does it mean?
Again, performing at the highest level, getting the highest score or the highest grade is acing a test.
You said your teacher was a principal.
My father was a principal, and I studied hard to make average grades. But passing and acing a test was not in my vocabulary.
Well, I hope that you can pass the test with flying colors, or you can ace
Ace
the test.
the test.